up, guys? It's Marissa with Krietz Customs. Behind me is a 2023 GMC Yukon AT4. Now, this build has its own Krietz Customs spin to it. It's got the color match options, a full suspension kit, as well on wheels and tires. So we're gonna jump right into it. Now, starting off with your wheel and tire package, this is gonna be the Fuel Flame. Now, this is a 20x9 with a +1 offset, so you're gonna get about a 1/4 inch poke out past those fenders. This is a matte black finish. It's got that split spoke design as well as fuel etched here on the outer portion. Now, this is a concave wheel. Now, with the 20x9 +1s, you're gonna have a less concave look compared to a 20x10 or a 20x12. The more negative of an offset, the more deep your concave is going to look. So make sure you guys keep that in mind when picking out your wheel and tire packages. Your tire is going to be a 35/12/50/20. This is the NITTO Ridge Grappler. This is their hybrid tire, so you're going to get the best of both worlds. It's going to have the quietness, the ride quality of an all-terrain tire, but you're also going to get this aggressive shoulder lug to give it that mud tire look. So you're going to have great road performance. You're going to have some off-road capabilities, not a lot, but it's still going to be good if you need to go down a back road, go into a field. I probably wouldn't do a lot of off-road with it, but you still have the peace of mind knowing that you can do some with it. Now, with your bigger wheel and tire package, in order to fit this, we have to add the 3-inch READYLift SST Kit. It's going to be the spacer kit as well as upgraded control arms, so you're going to get really good ride quality out of it. With your bigger wheel and tire package and the 3-inch kit, you have to keep in mind there is some trimming involved. You guys can see on this Yukon, the fender liner as well as the back portion of the fender liner here is trimmed out about 3 to 4 inches from the bottom up. So when picking out your wheel and tire packages and the sizing and the lift kit, you just have to make sure that you talk with a specialist to help out on what needs to be trimmed and what all is involved with that. Now, going along with the wheel and tire package, our Krietz Customs paint team went ahead and put their own spin on this AT4. So a lot of the AT4s come with some of the chrome accents, but we went ahead and blacked this out completely. You guys can see the full grille assembly, the exterior surround, as well as the emblems on the front, as well as the fog light bezels here on the bottom are all blacked out in that gloss black. We did keep the red in the middle portion of the GMC emblem to kind of entail with the tow hooks here on the bottom. So the AT4 still has that AT4 look, even though it's completely blacked out. Now, coming to the side portion of the vehicle, you guys can see the fender badges where it says GMC on both sides are completely blacked out. The AT4 badge here on the side passenger and driver door, we did black it out, but we did keep the 4 that red color just to match the front and rear emblems. That way it kind of all encompasses each other. You guys can see that the window sills, they do come chrome, so we went ahead and gloss black vinyl wrapped that, so that way you guys are getting a full blackout. The roof rails are also blacked out for you as well. Now, coming to the rear part of the vehicle, you guys can see the back emblem matches the front emblem, as well as the AT4 here on the back matches the 2 sides as well. We went ahead and blacked out the entire portion of the back hatch, and then our Krietz Customs logo is on the back because it's Krietz Customs vehicle. We're gonna put our name on it. Now, spinning it back to the front so that way you guys can get a full angle of the blackout package with the wheel and tires and the suspension. I think this beefier Yukon AT4 looks extremely good. I love it. I want to buy it and I want to use it as my mom-mobile. It's definitely going to be a great grocery getter as well as a head turner. So you can use it for whatever you want. If you have a lot of kids, if you don't have a lot of kids, you want to look hot in the daycare line, that's what I want to use it for. Like I said, 2023 GMC Yukon AT4, Krietz Customs put their own spin on there with the suspension, wheels, tires, and the custom color match. If you guys want to do something with yours, hit us up at 301-694-4642. Check out all social media platforms on Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs. And if you want to purchase this or look at all of our other inventory, check it out at KrietzAuto.com.